आज हमारे साथ है एक बहुत ही स्पेशल इंसान, एक उम्दा एथलीट, हाई किक्स, समरसॉल्ट्स करने में माहिर और उससे भी अच्छे स्विमर, ओलंपिक्स के फ्यूचर विजेता, द अनसीन, द अनहर्ड, द अननोन। उनका साइज छोटा है लेकिन दूसरों को खिला खिला कर उन्हें मोटा कर देता है। प्लीज वेलकम छोटा पैकेट इन medium sized packet. Will not just break the ice with you, but also break your water. Please welcome Baby Patel Saloni Viraf Khanna Patel Patodi. Yay! Please welcome the baby.
For all those people जिन्होंने मुझे बॉडी शेम किया है पिछले 8 महीनों में, this is why the double chin was there and this is why the double workout can't be there. So screw you.
Two girls
And 2 cups.
Baby ji, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Not here.
I see myself 5 years old after 5 years.
Good answer.
But my baby is not going to sound like that.
That is your baby right now. He or she sounds like that right now as we speak. That's your baby. Yeah,
Like
this is an object that captures the sounds of your stomach.
Oh, are
Yeah.
you a ventriloquist? You have no idea what that means.
Puppet master बोलते हैं
Yes,
उसको.
puppet master नहीं बोलते. तू कौन से गांव से हो भाई? कौन से
Puppet
गांव से
master ही तो बोलते हैं अपने राजकोट में.
हो? अभी भी स्ट्रगल
हाँ
हो
मुझे
रहा है.
पता है, आप ही मेरी बेस्ट मासी हो. आपसे अच्छा कोई है ही नहीं. मासी इज बेस्ट. आई लव यू मासी.
Okay, but why were you like being so typical and hiding your pregnancy? Like if people come to know about your pregnancy, they're gonna be like, oh my God, Saloni's pregnant is gonna be all over the tabloids, newspapers.
Very, very simple reason.
Okay.
Very, very simple reason. I'm such a good friend that when my friend Deepika announced her pregnancy, and we all know that she's such an attention whore, so I thought that I should take a step back and not say anything. And Deepika decided to go all over and say, I'm pregnant and I'm delivering at the same time as me. You can be a good friend to some people, but they don't return the favor. So I thought I will be the nice person and not say anything. इसलिए मैंने कहा कि मैं अपनी प्रेगनेंसी छुपाऊंगी.
मतलब, but who gets pregnant just because they don't want to go through period pain for 9 months? It's just really like a
Guys.
very drastic step to take.
Guys, it's the best thing. It's the best thing. I'm telling you, get pregnant. You will forget what periods are like.
I think, yeah, but my reason to get pregnant in life will be not because I want to nurture a child. Yeah, that's whatever, man. Female instinct and all that. I want to, one, quit my vices.
Detox.
Yeah, detox.
It should be a detox from alcohol and
Also eat whatever the fuck I want
Yeah.
for how much ever time I want and nobody fucking can say anything to me.
yeah.
और क्या फायदे हैं human
अरे
being?
बहुत फायदे हैं guys. Okay. So as an actor वैसे भी काम नहीं होता.
हाँ.
तो तुम हमेशा ऐसे सोच रहे होते हो कि oh shit यार काम नहीं है. But when you get pregnant, you're just like काम तो कर ही नहीं सकते ना.
It's not
So-
like तुम्हारे पास पहले भी काम नहीं था और अभी भी काम नहीं है. It's just like now you have a reason for your joblessness. Now you will say that actually,
Like now when people ask me what are you working on, I'm just like this.
yeah.
I don't feel bad
What's your
about
next
it.
project? This
This.
motherhood.
Motherhood. Baby product influencing brands.
कितने brands ने reach out किया अब तक तुम्हें?
मैंने reach out किया.
कितने brands को?
बहुत. 100 में से 3 का reply आया लेकिन.
Reply.
एक के साथ किया भी मैंने collaborate.
हाँ? What you said? Prega news is good news. Who decides Prega news is good news?
Money. The money Prega news pays.
Oh, okay.
The cash.
That's the good news.
The cash Prega news pays for you to say it. See, Srishti, I think you should totally have a baby because clearly you're out of work, okay? And you're only doing this podcast. This will increase
Excuse
your
me,
horizons.
मेरे pipeline में बहुत काम है.
तेरे pipeline में baby कर ले.
भावेश का pipeline has to come towards me.
Your pipelines are not connected.
Not right now. That's
Obviously
weird.
not right now. This was
Bhavesh?
not that kind of show. Though it could be because the frame is.
Hello, Sunny. Get ready for tonight. No protection needed. Flavor सिर्फ ice cream में होगा, उसमें नहीं. You'll put it on me.
Pregnancy brain is real. पता है? There are studies and I've been reading about it. I've been reading a lot of things about pregnancy because clearly this is my first time and I have no clue what the fuck I'm doing. But so the brain actually shrinks in size and therefore you start becoming forgetful, you start becoming a little clumsy, a little careless, and since you already have pregnancy brain, that's one more reason you should get pregnant, because it's not going to affect you. तेरे पे कोई असर ही नहीं होगा, देख तेरा brain already shrunken है. So if you get pregnant,
I'll give you this book. It's called Out of the Box New Funny Insults. Because you
I'll hit you with it.
तो है
You know,
भाई.
you can really fuck with people and then blame it on a mood swing. No one will question you. Now I'm dreading, जब ये बाहर आ जाएगा या आ जाएगी तो क्या करूँगी?
Postpartum. Guys, I know postpartum depression is real. I don't mean to.
But on this
disrespect.
podcast,
But on this podcast, we disrespect everything.
just calm down. You can. This needs to happen somewhere else.
Sunny, I know in the video you'll see that it's gone in my eye, but that's not where we put it, okay?
People, you should really see how people behave when you tell them that you're pregnant. Her husband refused to come anywhere near me, even to give me a welcome hug. जो वो usually करता, like I became this delicate, fragile doll जो टूट जाएगी अगर
Like a bubble that if you touch, you will like burst.
Yeah, he used to just. I used to enter the house to shoot, and he used to be like, "Do you want something? Sit. Do you want a mango? You want a mango? You want a mango?" It's kind of nice though. They offer you clothes. They offer you food. They offer you advice, which sometimes you don't want. They want to touch you. They suddenly feel that touching pregnant women is fine.
Like your stomach is now not your stomach anymore. It's a separate entity. It's like your puppy.
Yeah.
So puppy, you can go and do that stomach is not part of you anymore.
Yeah. So
Even though it's like really close to your tits.
yeah, it's very very close. It becomes even closer when you're
Yeah,
pregnant because
because-
everything is
Yeah.
going.
And your tits are like resting on your stomach almost.
Really, they've reached.
So there could be a point where somebody went thak and just touched your nipple.
Oh, yeah, and they're sore as fuck. So you're just like, no.
And they're like, अच्छा बेटे बच्चे की उंगली निकल गई.
Disgusting. Now when I open the door sometimes to people, ना ऐसे दरवाजा खोले and they go like, hi, straight to my, like no boundaries.
So you should also go hi and touch the crotch.
That would be
I
so.
should say that weren't we like doing a thing where we're touching each other in the wrong places? I thought we were playing that game.
Like,
The
are
wrong
we?
place.
Please don't touch a pregnant woman without her permission. I know you're excited about the baby, but it's weird, yeah. Would
Yeah,
you
I mean-
touch a woman if she wasn't pregnant like that? Hi.
1 second, people touch women regardless. So that now you
So
can't
that's not
stop.
changing.
That's not changing, but yeah. What are the kinds of shit advice that people give you during your pregnancy when they have never been pregnant?
Again, I'm going to start with you. What is the advice you would give me?
Maro bench!
See?
I truly believe in giving your child one smack if it misbehaves.
Hello, Sunny. Today use protection. Wait a couple of years, I think. Yeah. Ice, any flavor.
And he
Any-
listen to you.
any-
He's asking you which flavor. Why he's asking you?
Somebody sent me a very a book. It's this big, and it has ancient techniques you should do during your pregnancy. उसमें जो vegetable source करने हैं या जो fruit source करने हैं, they're like fully organic and shit like that. And I don't have money for that. This stuff is expensive. So are you trying to make me feel bad? Like, are you trying to tell me that if I don't do this, there's going to be something wrong with the baby? You have to realize when you give advice. पैर ऊपर करके बैठो, बेटा ये मत करो, वो मत करो, बेंड मत हो. क्यों ना बेंड हूँ? अगर मेरा कुछ सामान नीचे गिरा तो मैं कैसे उठाऊं फिर?
मेरी मम्मी को किसी ने बोला था कि घी ज्यादा खाया करो, मतलब 2-3 चम्मच घी तो हर रोज. शी इज लाइक, वो ग्रेट एडवाइस, बट व्हाई एग्जैक्टली घी? अरे फिसल के आएगा ना बच्चा बाहर.
I heard that about coconut water. Take ghee
अच्छा, put it there.
and
No, but she is asking her to drink it.
वही तो एडवाइस गलत हो गई. I think she
कौन से मुंह में?
कौन से कहाँ डालना है? Dates. इतनी गर्मी में मैं dates खाऊं?
ताकि सही डेट पे तुम्हारा बच्चा पैदा हो.
हर एक बंदा एक एडवाइस देके जाता है. मैं सबकी एडवाइस फॉलो करूं?
और कुछ एक दूसरे को कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट भी करता है. ठंडे पानी से नहाओ, कोई बोलेगा गर्म पानी से नहाओ.
करेक्ट.
कोई बोलेगा मिक्स,
Mix. And you're just like, what?
थोड़ा गर्म थोड़ा ठंडा, थोड़ा गर्म थोड़ा.
Yeah.
But what about the theories that people have about whether it's going to be a girl or boy?
Oh my freaking god. Everyone has a wrong theory. Nobody knows it. So people say they look at my bump. First, so they want to look at my bump. That's only so weird. They'll make me stand up, bro.
Yeah, profiles
जैसे
दिखाने
एक बार
पड़ते
खड़े
हैं.
हो ना जरा, हाँ मेरे को बम देखना है. Then they will start analyzing the bump and they will be like, अच्छा ये conical है या ये
हाँ.
flat है. अच्छा conical है तो कोई बोलेगा boy है, flat है तो कोई बोलेगा girl है, फिर कोई और बोलेगा flat है तो boy है. They'll start arguing amongst each other. Okay. Then there was this one auntie. I have gone. एक तो you're pregnant. Okay, you already have, when you look at yourself, your body is changing, yourself is changing. You're already having issues, right? Like, and I've gone for this puja, and this auntie who doesn't know me, she's come to me and she's like, "Oh wow, beta, congratulations!" I said, "Thank you so much, auntie." Then she looks at me and she says, "तुम्हारी तो लड़की ही है." मैंने कहा, "ओके आंटी, होगी, पता नहीं, अब इंडिया में पता नहीं लगता ना." She's like, हाँ, नहीं तुम्हारी लड़की ही है, पता है क्यों? मैंने कहा क्यों? तुम ग्लो नहीं कर रही ना, तुम डल हो गई हो. जब लड़की होती है ना तो ग्लो चला जाता है, डल हो जाता है इंसान, बिकॉज सारा ग्लो लड़की पे चला जाता है. I just kept standing there thinking, ये मेरे को like what just happened? And she just basically told me on my face that you're looking like shit, bro.
You should also then ask her, then आपने सुबह गोभी खाई थी? क्योंकि पुरानों के हिसाब से ना, अगर आप गोभी खाते हो तो आप एक बड़ी सी रॉटन गोभी जैसे दिखने लगती हो. आई थिंक आपने सुबह गोभी खाई थी ना.
उनको थप्पड़ नहीं पड़ा एज अ किड.
आई एम टेलिंग यू, ऐसे ही लोग बड़े होके ऐसे बनते हैं. यू वांट योर चाइल्ड टू बी लाइक दैट?
गाइस कमेंट में बताओ, should I?
But I want to understand, Viraf, he has taken credit for not just your pregnancy, but I have seen him taking credit for a lot of people's pregnancy for some reason. How has he contributed? I would like to ask.
First tell me
When
that-
someone tells him I'm pregnant, it's like, I did it.
So Viraf is like this flag bearer of the universe needs babies, okay? And I clearly have been brainwashed into believing the same because I spend a lot of time with him. So he goes around preaching that to people.
Yeah, just
And when he
tell
comes
him
in
that.
and asks
Yeah,
me,
I'm going to tell him that it sounds very wrong when somebody says I'm pregnant and he's like, yes, I did it.
I did it.
I don't understand what that equation
No,
is.
that I can vouch for. I can vouch that he only did the talking, no? Not the.
Other ink.
Not that. This is not so fertile also. No. But when you got married, what did you say? Who did you give credit to for that? Who did you say?
I didn't give credit. I
You-
said सब तेरी वजह से मादर चोद. There is no credit giving in this. शादी करो बहुत अच्छा, क्या है बेंचोद? कोई एक्स्ट्रा प्रिविलेजेस नहीं है, वही सेम ना. मेरे लिए गुच्ची के बेल्ट्स खरीदता है ना,
अंगूठी क्या
बर्बरी
तेरी?
के ये भी. वो फक का है. वो फक.
तो पहन के नहीं आई होगी.
One second, seriously, I'm like a little tense right.
I don't think you wore
Did
it.
I- One second, sorry. Sunny. Can you please check in the bathroom if my ring is there? It will be in the bathroom. No, baby, check. I'm panicking.
We actually ended up calling Sunny in this.
I'm in the middle of yeah. I'm in the middle of the episode and she's like, where's your ring? And I was like, it's here. And it was not there. So I just want to be sure that it's in the bathroom.
We actually called him. I can't believe it.
Yeah, it's there?
Okay, Sunny.
Okay,
Bye.
thanks. Credit for your pregnancy? Why do people take credit for
People
your
take
pregnancy?
credit for my pregnancy.
Why?
People suddenly will tell me, जब से हम आपकी लाइफ में आए हैं, सी कितना अच्छा हो रहा है, आप प्रेग्नेंट हो गए हो. जब से remember I fed you that, maybe that added to your
उस लॉजिक से मैं तुम्हारे लिए बहुत बुरी हूँ क्योंकि जब से मैं तुम्हारे लाइफ में हूँ तुम्हें काम नहीं मिला.
Actually, that's true.
बट तुमने एक पॉडकास्ट शुरू किया है. Shit, why did I put this in your head?
We must talk about this.
Let's talk about the fact that my uncle is your doctor.
And guys, I was really scared because that day I thought the scan is going to be internal, and that's just so.
By internal scan, she means that she will have to strip off whatever little
Holly, stop
clothing she
telling
has
me.
on her body.
Thankfully, by that stage, I did not have any internal scans. सारे internal scans हो चुके थे. I was like happy because I was like, I'm in safe hands. I know this person, so this person is not going to, But I was also like, he's going to see everything.
How can something be so safe and so awkward at the same time?
Like, I was like, he's going to see everything. Like, if I meet him at Srishti's birthday party next time, how will
What do you think he's going to be like?
But how will I look at him in the eye? He knows. He's seen everything. I would not be able to come for any of your birthdays where he would have been there.
Let's go back to when you found out that you are pregnant,
Hmm.
right? Usually, what is the feeling in that moment? Is it like, what does it feel like?
It should feel like, but for me, okay, I'm going to be very honest, and this is going to sound so bad.
No, it's
मैं जा रही थी अपनी बहन की शादी के लिए. My only one and only sister was getting married in Delhi, and it was a huge, big, fat Punjabi wedding. And I don't drink and I don't do. But I had thought that in this wedding, this will be my like one night of doing everything debaucherous that I can do.
yeah.
And 2 days before I left for the wedding, I found out that I was. So imagine how I felt.
But I think that was the universe sort of like saving you from.
So I walked out with my pregnancy test and said, Virav, this is going to be the happiest day of your life. I literally said that to him.
You've seen reels how people reveal it to their husbands. They put it in a drink and you're like, oh my god.
They put it in a drink?
No. Sorry, that's a ring. That's
Please
for
don't
proposal.
put it in a drink. You just peed on that stick.
No.
Drink.
That's proposal. Sorry, you got confused. You put ring in it. I had a friend who knew that she's going to be pregnant. Check करते, but 3 back-to-back cigarette फूक के check किया उसने. He's like, शायद इसके बाद कभी पी ना पाऊँ.
हाँ, guys, but ऐसा कभी करना मत.
And she got nauseous. हाँ, obviously. Nothing in our podcast has to be done, guys. Now, अभी नहीं पता तो
हर चीज में disclaimer नहीं डाल सकते.
मम्मी के पास जाओ, चम्माट मारेगी मम्मी तुम्हें. But I want to. Then that's why I was coming at the fact that prega news is not good news.
Not
right?
always.
Not always good news. So, like all these pregnancy test kits have names, right? Like I can, and of course you can, but do you want to? There should be more realistic like names for ads. These ads and these brands, right?
I can only if you want me to.
Yeah. The tagline should be prega news is good news or bad news. We'll see.
You decide.
You decide. And the name also should be like prega news, nahi, something more true, like the revelation.
This also happens every time I sneeze. People make this joke: baby's coming out or what? Baby's coming out. No, it doesn't work like that, guys. Get your biology right. But anyway.
थोड़ा सर तो बाहर निकलता ही है.
I imagine that.
Mama, अरे तू वापस आ, तेरा time नहीं आया. Okay, so now for our final segment, usually we do Chugal's recommend, Chugal's again, but today, कि बेबी पटेल तो हमारे साथ है ही, लेकिन आज हमारे साथ विराजमान हो रहे हैं.
Virav! We will have a full episode with you because there is a lot to talk to you about.
Yeah, you're not just a papa.
Yeah, but today we need to do.
You're also a daddy.
Who's your daddy now?
So, but welcome. Thank you for debuting.
Yes!
In Two
I'm
Girls, Two
finally
Cups.
You can't do that.
Congratulations,
Mama.
guys.
Thank
Thanks, yaar.
How many times did you
Thank
have to
you.
do it?
you.
To get
5 years.
5 years continuous.
5 साल से हम
नहीं,
लोग
then
हैं.
see,
मैं लगा हुआ हूँ.
For the first 3 years, you were doing it, and then I became a sexuality educator after 2 years, and then I think we did something right.
Yeah.
पहले कहीं और.
Could be that.
Also, did you all try like different tricks like when you all were planning the baby?
He tried mental tricks to get me pregnant.
I've been trying
Baby, you
tricks
look
since
so hot today.
the time I met Saloni. No?
Yeah, you know what he told me when he met me? That I want to have a baby with you. And I was like, भाई ऐसे नहीं होता है पहले शादी करनी पड़ती है यार
पहले
date
मैं तुम्हारी बेबी बनूंगी फिर होगा.
कर
Isn't that the most romantic way to ask a girl to be with you for life? I want you to be to the mother of my babies. I want you to be the mother of my babies. I want you to be to the mother of my. Saloni refused to even start a family because she was expecting Campus Diary season 2 to start, and that her professionalism was coming in the way of my family.
I remember her threatening Prem, saying, "Pregnant हो जाऊंगी मैं pregnant. फिर मत बोलना shoot करना है."
मैंने लिटरली विराट को बोला था कि जून तक शुरू हो जाएगा तो जून के बाद ही अब करेंगे जो करना है कैंपस दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ यू
देखा commitment of this actor towards season 2 and you.
See,
MX.
but there's such an in into an actor's life, no? Like sometimes you would be waiting for a project to start, and you take a life event and you put it at stake for that project.
Yeah.
And Prem, we're not guilt tripping you. This is just
No,
just-
we
just,
are guilt tripping you.
Prem,
He's not.
How does it feel to know that a couple has used protection for longer than they wanted only because of you?
Okay, let's play the game.
So आज हम सलोनी और विराफ के साथ एक बहुत ही टिपिकल क्लीशे कपल गेम खेलेंगे. Who's more likely to?
Who's more likely to? Why are you hitting me?
It's part of the
इसके
game.
लिए माइक की इतनी जरूरत नहीं होगी क्योंकि स्विश का आवाज मैं एडिट में लगा दूंगी क्योंकि तुम पॉइंट करोगे सिर्फ.
Oh, okay. Game play.
Two girls
Okay.
play yourself.
One,
Yes.
one,
again,
one,
play
one.
again.
Welcome to Two Girls. Okay. First question. Who's more likely to give the baby the worst name ever? Why? What are the names I want
He
to
wants
know?
to name my boy. If I have a boy, he wants to name him Asha. He wants to name my son Asha Didi.
Which are the other interesting names?
Asha Didi?
No, which are the other names?
I don't want to remember it.
Gazita Ram is great, dude. 1 second. Old school names are back in fashion and how?
Yeah.
Okay, next.
Wow.
Who's more likely to play patriotic music or bhajans to the baby in the womb so it stays rooted? You've done it?
I do that every morning for
You're
1
so
hour.
creepy, dude.
I have a list. So I start with Hanuman Chalisa, then I play Gayatri Mantra, then I play Om Namah Shivaya 108 times, then I play Ek Onkar. I have confused the baby. I have played bhajans, then I played Shabad Gurbanis, then I have played Sufi music, then I do that every morning for 1
Your
hour.
baby's gonna come out with a tika. Who is more likely to talk to the baby like they're talking to the cats?
Yeah.
Muchu juju bugu jigi jiju bu.
I talk to my cat and "Mera
Sorry, baby, in
beta,
advance."
mera mushu, it's over here. That's true.
Who's more likely to, when the baby's born, play with the baby like it's a volleyball? Whoop! Yeah, I saw how he
He
threw
flings my cat.
Pushu into this.
Like last night, I have told him that Viraf, you're not going to play like you play with
देखो
Mushu.
ये कुदरती होता है, इसके साथ छेड़छाड़
इसमें
नहीं
क्या
करते.
कुदरती है?
पप्पा होता है ना, वो रफ एंड टम्बल प्ले करता है. मम्मी होती है वो जेंटल प्ले करती है.
Who's more likely to abuse in front of the baby by mistake?
Me, I think.
I think
Both
नहीं,
of us.
are.
Bad joke.
both
You are already doing.
both of us. Oh fuck! Oh, I think. Sorry, this is who we are.
But Saloni already abuses the baby when it kicks. Ulu the pasha!
Yeah, I've heard that. Okay, who's more likely to dress the baby up in opposite gender clothes when it's born?
You know why? Because it happened to him.
It's going to take it forward.
It's
The
like-
tradition.
Trauma repeats itself. Oh, it didn't happen to you.
Me. So
You're talking about your ex,
my
one of your exes.
मेरी daddy's mummy, she lost her baby girl.
Oh no.
I don't know. I think she was very young to a dog bite, and so as part of her recovering of that pain, she would dress up the younger son with her clothes to just maybe get over with it.
But
Sorry.
we won't do it for that. Viraf, you just made this podcast very. This is not what it-
Difficult question to answer. Who's more likely to deliver the baby?
Me.
I'm not even gonna answer that.
Me.
Last question. Who's more likely to
Or
pinch,
daughter.
bite,
pull the cheeks, squeeze the nose, pull the hair,
bully the baby basically.
You. This
Your
time
correctest
you.
answer has never been
Can you
told.
be point at her?
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah,
going to
you.
pinch the baby's butt so hard and then bite it.
Yeah, that
And then slap it.
this girl over here is only going to do
Your
that.
you will be
We
like,
have to
oh,
keep
my
the
baby looks like he has natural blush. No, it's my slap.
See?
Okay.
तो
Thank you. Bye.
इसके साथ
Bye.
अरे
Bye.
क्या आदमी है यार? थोड़ा सा एंड करके भी
Okay.
end
Okay.
में
Sorry.
भागने की क्या
बाय भी
जरूरत है
बोल
यार?
सकते हो ना,
भाग-
लाइक
I'm
शेयर
a
सब्सक्राइब
daddy
भी
in the
बोल
making,
सकते हो.
right, bitch?
इसने
अच्छा,
यही-
what are you going to make? You made what you have to make.
इसने
That
यही
is-
किया था while making also. Okay, done. Bye.
Okay,
Bye.
done. मेरा हो गया.
मेरा हो गया काम.
Deposit.
Bye. अब तू 9 महीने देख
अब
ले.
तो ट्रांजैक्ट
अब 9 महीने तेरे. Bye. Bye. I'm done. Bye. Bye.
Two girls and two guys. Two girls and two cups.
Tune in Monday to Friday, sometimes Sunday, and sometimes never.
Keep listening.
Bye.
Cheers.
Sayonara.
Alvida.
Hare.